Are you ready to sell your products using Showit but not quite sure which e-commerce platform connects? I'm Melissa of Superhero Design and I help ambitious women build bold brands online. Let's get started. The easiest and most inexpensive way to sell products on your Showit website is going to be to use Shopify. Now, when you go to their plans, you don't want the basic plan. You just scroll down. And the plan that you want is only $5 a month and it's called the starter plan. So go ahead and sign up for that and create some products in your shop, and I'm going to jump ahead like you've already done that. So I am in Shopify. This is my demo store I have set up for this purpose, and I click on apps, and I'm going to go to apps and sales channel settings. And the thing that I want to add is called the buy button, and you see that it's not located here, so I'm going to click on Shopify App Store. I'm going to search for the buy button, and it's this one right here. So I'm going to click on it and add it. Click on Add Sales Channel. Great, so now that it's added, you're going to click on Create a Buy button. Click on Product Buy button. And go ahead and choose one of your products. Again, make sure that you have some products set up already in Shopify. So I'm just going to select this one. And as you can see here, I've got a Add to Cart button that I can style. So on the left, there's several different options. Layout style, you can choose Basic, which is just a button, Classic, which is a thumbnail with a button, or Full View, and you've kind of got like this big, large photo. So this is something that would probably go on like a product detail page, whereas the Classic or Basic would be like a product listing page. So I'm going to choose Classic, and you can also choose what happens when people click on it. So if you wanted to add to cart, if you want to direct them straight to checkout, just click on Buy Now. Or you want to open product details, which opens up a pop-up, then you can select that as well. I'm going to click on Add Product to Cart for this purpose, and then under Button Style, you can change the background of your color, your button, font. You just want this to match your website as best as possible. And under the layout, you can choose your image size, so how big you want your image to show. I think medium is usually pretty good. And yeah, you can show like different quantity fields and then different colors. They just have a few different design options you can go through on that. For the shopping cart, I'm going to click on that. So as you can see on the right hand side, this shopping cart slider menu pops out. That's going to be added to the page and Showit with your product. So you can style it with the different text colors, things like that. So that's how to style that. And then under advanced settings, you can decide checkout behavior. So do you want people to open a pop-up window when they check out, so it'll just pop up a Shopify checkout, or redirect in the same tab? So that's really going to be up to you. All right, so now that I have it all customized the way I want, I'm going to click Next. And then you see this little snippet of code. So you click Copy Code. And in Showit, I have this blank page ready to go. And this page, I just named it Shop so that I could check it on the website. And on the bottom, I'm going to click on the middle rectangle and click Embed Code. Double click and paste in the code that I just copied and click Save. Zoom in. So now you can see I've got my product here. Just going to kind of resize it the way that I want it to be on the page. Okay, just make sure you have enough space in the box, and then also make sure that you do your mobile as well. Once this is all sized the way that I want, I'm just going to copy it over for the other products. So you really only have to resize it perfectly one time. So here we go. Here is my product. Let's just do like a 2-column with this size of a product. So, and don't worry about this scroll bar here. I am going to click publish. Let's check it out. So I'm going to go here, /shop. All right, so here is my product that I added, and when I click on add to cart, you can see that it adds that to the cart. So let me get rid of this one that was from before. So it's pretty cool because it adds this little shopping cart icon here on the right, and whenever you click it, your shopping cart pops up. And this will happen on any page that you have one of these products on. So to create more products on this page, I would just go back to Shopify, keep customizing. Let me exit out of here. Oh yeah, I can just leave. Let's go to exit. Yes, I want to leave. Create buy button again. I'm going to click a different product. So here it is, and it's styled the exact same way as before, which is really cool because you don't have to do that every single time. Click next and copy code. Back in Showit. Actually, what I'm going to do is copy and paste this and then go back and copy the code again. So I'm going to click on Command C, Command V, drag this over to the right. That just pasted it right on top in the same spot. As you can see, that saves a lot of time because now it's sized the exact same way. Align to canvas. I'm going to go back to my buy button, copy again since I messed up my copy earlier, and I'm going to paste the new one in, save. So my new product is now here, so I'm going to click on publish. Back into my shop, and there it is. There is my new product, so I can add that one to cart as well. And when I click on checkout, I selected in the same tab, so it just takes me to this checkout page, which you can customize in your Shopify account. With Shopify, you can do, minimal customizations, but this is basically what it looks like. And that is the easiest, cheapest, and fastest way to add products to your Showit website.